Be blessed. Your going out is blessed. Your coming in is blessed. Only good news from you. Between now and Shiloh 2024, only good news from you. Only good news from your family. Only good news from the works of your hand. Only good news from your walk with God. Only good news concerning your spiritual life. Only good news concerning your family. Only good news concerning your children. Only good news concerning the works of your hand. You'll be hearing congratulations all the way. Nobody will say sorry to you. Oh. In the name of Jesus. To God be all the glory.